What I love most about growing up New Mexico is really being in the early childhood space and the ability to look at holistic systems to better support New Mexico families, and that to me is everything. Growing Up New Mexico runs a suite of programs in Santa Fe and Rio Arriba County. We have a program called Great Start, which begins with home visiting. We also have Bridges to Opportunity, which is a multi-generational coaching model with goal setting to look at a holistic support system for the whole family. We have direct connections to families, and that often means connecting them with caregivers to make sure that there's a good match between family values and what happens in a childcare setting. Growing Up New Mexico had a wonderful partnership with WESST and Partnership for Community Action in doing a home-based care accelerator that included how to do better with financials, dealing with challenging behaviors, knowing when to look for early intervention, how to get supports, how to access state subsidies. We were able to break down the complexity of these things and make them accessible and comprehensible to really focus on developing their caregiving business so that they can do even better work for New Mexico families.
Trying to run your business and take care of children, it's kind of hard to be able to separate the two. Now I have the foundation, even 21 years in the business.
One of the advantages of home-based care is that it, by definition, can be culturally appropriate because it's neighborhood level. It can be on your block, in your language, with the discipline and or religion and any philosophy that feels important to the family.
Lo maravilloso de la asociación con WESST fue que pudimos dar muchas de las clases en español.
Ahora yo tengo mi propio negocio y puedo tener la oportunidad de tener el prekinder aquí mismo en mi casa y brindarles educación a los niños de mi comunidad.
Yo creo que es súper importante, pero también necesario y urgente este tipo de programas para ayudarnos a crecer. Muchas personas piensan, si tú estás cuidando a un niño, eres una niñera y nada más. Y yo dije, no, yo quiero hacer de esto algo diferente. Yo quiero que mi centro o mi casa de cuidado sea diferente. Quiero que los niños vengan y se lleven algo, pero para siempre.
Las madres, al ver que las casas cuando entran y se miran como un centro, como una escuelita, se sienten en confianza en dejar a sus hijos sabiendo que van a estar educados.
A majority of infant and toddlers are cared for in our state in home-based settings, and that was always one of the key measures we wanted to look at. Can we really expand capacity because we need more high-quality child care?
Siento que el apoyar a las familias de niños pequeños apoyamos a las futuras generaciones de Nuevo México.
We want to do better for young children and their families. We want to raise our children well. If we get this right, every other system improves beyond that.